Number 8, calculate 0.3 square. So 0.3 square basically is equal to 0.3 times 0.3. You can use calculator if you want. You get 0.09. And the question asks for standard form. Standard form basically is in the form of a times 10 to the power of n. The a need to be between 10 and 1. It can equal to 1, but it cannot be equal to 10. It should be less than 10. And the n, it should be positive and negative. Negative when you have decimal. This case is a negative. So 2 decimal will give you negative 2 times, just take the 9. That's what your answer. 9 times 10 to the power of negative 2. I hope this discussion, along with the revision tips and answering strategies, will help you in your exam preparation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Best of luck with your studies, and I will see you again in next video.